Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
No ma we o yare revia o ni ge mi me uga uyo to kin ave to ba we omo ne peta o ge iwe mi ko no ma we me o yare revia o ni ge mi me uga uyo to kin ave to ba we. Hey Frank, you sure say you feel withstand Papa Wella? Now only Rita and I shake you that day. Rita, it shake you. You with your family. Una doye no ofe no de yame. Una doye no ofe no de yame. Ewe ana ya gu ekme we gu na Eruwela. Hije me o. Eruwela iwa mo gu wani no ropa. O wa vue. O ivue. Unwe ma be caterpillar na ya nwina. O iwa vue. O ya mufie zorion. See, I even see one girl even they talk to you, say you don't know how to talk. Frank, that is who we begedian. It's not good for you. Now you make Rita go arrest your family last time. Even when Rita even arrest your family, I even the verse for Rita say why go. I don't even know say now that your dirty mouth. And if you now don't drink finish, you don't know what you they talk. Frank, if you don't drink finish, you know what you they talk. If I say me I call you now, you not go even hear. You know good. How you go they talk to a woman with gay her husband? Waiting the woman do you. I don't understand. Frank. Waiting Monica do you. Me, I don't understand. When Ivie give you president, you know say you know if you withstand this man as social media president. You know say you know if you withstand them. That's why you withdraw. So as the people say they don't do the election, best way one feel withstand and we want feel collect them. That one don't enter. What is your problem, my brother? What is your problem?
Just so my people now welcome back to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. How na day? We hope everything do okay, everybody do okay. Now so make we give thanks and praises to God Almighty. So now so that one be. So the person will be say with the feature on our presentation today. Now you know Kokomo one of UK. And this thing I still want to make and to stress them out. Say now 2 you know Kokomos. Now they see. This not the one with the UK. You get me? So she come out now, she can't really talk to Frank Vito over the things where we say she feel like say Frank Vito they do is there. Where we say she feel say Frank Vito they talk to Papa Wella, Frank Vito they talk to Monica, and Frank Vito still they talk to other women. You get me? So you know Kokomoto say you're not supposed to make anybody at all for that matter. Maybe they talk to women in general. You get me? So and you know Kokomo can't really stress this thing out. Say yes. In fact. Now make Rita now say what Rita did it, why Rita did it, what concern Rita? No, not really concern Rita. Rita just did it because they make reference to them. You get me? So you know Kokomo say with the last everybody knows say the last time we be say from Rita and Rita go at it. You get me? So Rita can't take them out of social media. You can't take them into reality like in real life. You get me? So because she can't send people home, they can't go arrest from Rita parents and relatives and siblings, and I know it's in there. So and then the amount will be say. Yeah, I mean, people can't talk to Rita or something like that. Say maybe she forget and everything. So Rita can't say no. She don't feel forget. The way thing will make her forget. Now when they pay her money, the money will be say she spend on Frank Vito. Like now, what I mean, say the money will be say she spent to arrest and Frank Vito people. So somebody for US or Canada, one of the two, either one, you get me? So that's where they live there, can't get to pay the money to Rita before Rita can finally leave the people of Frank Vito home in army for home before he can finally release them or leave them because Rita arrested them before. Now that one just did it. So you know, come to say if Rita fit do that one, what Papa Wella go do when Papa Wella get hold of Frank Vito, you get me? So now be waiting there. So you know, come basically advise Frank Vito or come give her a ways of advice. But in some way, she still he still get her, she still take put and then be waiting there. So I know if he begin to just talk everything here. So I could just rest now, make everybody just start to watch and make we just join Kokomo as she wants really start to talk her own day. And so just be. So my people, as when they join us here at Edu Tafia Me Boy YouTube channel, may Baba God continue to do bless you now with our family and hear me and do well. Bye bye.
No ma me o. Yare revia o ni mi me. Uga uyo talking ave do ba we. Omo ne gbeta o re iwe mi khos. No ma me o. Yare revia o ni mi me. Uga uyo talking ave do ba we. Omo ne gbeta o re iwe mi khos. Frank, you sure say you feel withstand Papa Wella? Now only Rita na shake you that day. Rita, it shake you. You with your family. Una doye no ofe no de yame. Una doye no ofe no de yame. Ewe ana ya gu ekme gun. Ekme we gu gun na Eruwela. Hije me o. Eruwela iwa mo gu wani no ropa. O wa vue. O ivue. Won ma be caterpillar na ya wina. O iwa vue. O ya mufie zorion. See, I even see one girl even they talk to you, say you don't know how to talk. Frank, that is who we're begedian. It's not good for you. Now you make Rita go arrest your family last time. Even when Rita even arrest your family, I even the verse for Rita say why you go. I don't even know say now that your dirty mouth. And if you now don't drink finish, you don't know what you now they talk. Frank, if you don't drink finish, you know they know what you they talk. If I say me I call you now, you not go even hear. You know good. How you go they talk to a woman with gay her husband? Waiting the woman do you. I don't understand. Frank. Waiting Monica do you. Me I don't understand. When Ivie give you president, you know say you know if you withstand this man as social media president, you know say you know if you withstand them. That's why you withdraw. So as if say they don't do the election, best way one feel withstand and we want feel collect them. That one don't enter. What is your problem, my brother? What is your problem? Stacy work boare Rita manager no komona ina egbebe iga anyi wo wa mi okpa si me boni san icheme Rita wa gege ya mo from Victor o mo ari police station na mu ona mo tun wo wa so ima on Eruwela mo o ga mu we iset yin Eruwela cause you go ime go ni ya imia iro Frankie la wa ime la wayeti weme la wo iwe no iwe la wo iwe no iwe Frankie no iwe la wo iwe no iwe la ekwa akwa be live video la wo iwe no iwe. My dear brother, uru enwa junwe why because if you ever where eminu kian set isun eminu kian set end esun osi emeli yenu Kokomo na ekodori e ibutekere no why because ne Rita na ya police mo a family where there you ga vie no ina va il est social media na Rita na ye police ya mwe Frankie il show video me na o va we la wo wa show e no be ava e nwe wi me kori olo tekere ye kori enia olo teni e ko ya iri ne pie ken ye ko be lawa nwe me ko me to go every time you no na ya Rita be ri oni cause we ni bege e ye nu Kokomo e ko tsa why because Frank I dey see you now bu gberiere we Rita mu we there ni o ma be o send go be America make queen no ni go ne Rita we spend ana ya pay ni Rita Eruwela ga mu we weti asa osoboka osogogadu gege awoboka ga ri ere buka me enori na afio boy were no si ani me ni yenu Kokomo ni nagu we gwana wa because ovie dohi ovie sese ovie donne pataki ovie donne gelegele ihi Frank Frankie wenwa yunwe yere we Ara bo mo ne mara me de ne me of yo. When me gugwenia, me ma show wenwina be. Wenwina be e jemi nu jeni tetu wenwina. Uhia wa re live video wa your good them bo wa side you know we. No. Oh man no kele nwina. When me jena ne mami kam gwa we 20 minutes video here ya mu egbe na. Ya we gbe line when na 7 o'clock ibe ya zobo we 2 o'clock enya na do amiega ne ya ta we eri okpe na ho no rogodo eri okpe na ho ne rogodo Frank now na they spoil this Europe now na they spoil this live video wa hu understand now wana ye no ge ebe no ru nwese no heju ere nwese ti zinki so top Frank, now na be for this live video. You understand? You understand me now? So, abi who? You know wala dinya, wala wo. If you are where, I am where tita we me na makan we. Orun pa ti wa humiliate who? O ni wa re o gbe for that matter. O we to who liye ke here. So, Frank, who me right? E Monica ne ma on e voto ma on e de ibi ara we eri no come anuri oh my ya gun e ya gu papon na you understand me now kuma pa gbe be pet me re ni e ko ya mu egbe wa because e ro me bia me ni e ko agun ni amu egbe bele na ne e Frankie we no me la dia we camp ve der yo ni we no me la dia we camp. When I went to Ata, no, we do a book on a robot door. And no robots were no robot door. He went out, but one of the go do my one. Oh, do money well, he jeme oh, here. Why are they you to ma? Ah, Frankie, I want more here. When you see an American come and see when I hope one is 200,000 over there. Wa we gbe adejobe ora e umi no ri ijobe 2 million o ijobe 10 million no na 200,000 o si enu pe ni na we nu be there ni o si so ku we ni mejo bi we ise no be bi o ku we ni mejo bi o ise no bi o se na ma we la wo ime la o bi me no ime la o la emwe me ri wa 200,000 ni le na ka zedere ni opologbe me ma yo na resigo gbani na iya we transformer so ri ave do na to ya filigo ne ogbalegbe ave vigo ni la jana ya wijo boni ma ne transformer ah bi me no ime lao e ma be do ni iye mi pa ya bi ye na to ya gbete ari 40,000 ari wa ye lala ari 50,000 ari wa konorwe ari 100,000 ari bonopa transformer na. To be a woman in Europe is not a day job. Okay, can we respect maniku? Cause he was there avec bien sauvé la webo. Elle n'avait ici maragbiaga. Avec dollar ma wa. Deti yamana mo avec il marche au roi avec un motu no biare. Ara imu ware ne waga yunu wa arioto wa gwa bi ko na wa bu wa so wa bo te wi tie bosin unu me na ni ari emi na mate oni ya tie bo o ko wa respect maniku o si mi o se nu wa ni pia ipe so ba o so ro no enegbe masunu no hi o je maniku no ga si o si ya mo te me no pe are o ya mo da femere o ya monare o wana wa ga do atalo be live video wa ga do atalo me ma blame ma mi ave lipiano ki o den wa gbera e blame o pe ane lopo ga advice o ma ririe o pe ani o kin ari ave wa because if here we o ku ogbo mo o ku be simi o mo ọ̀rọ̀ bi tendo na sun asaso wo ga ya vasu we do ta we wo ni ata o ma ese no avasi we u be jere we o pe ani Obo kan we set your advice we. Obo kan we set your advice we. Imaredo we saga and Imaredo sunu anybody. I'm talking on a man. Some men, not all. If I say all, now it go be like saying they talk to all men. Why? Because woman go advise some men. Some go say, you not rich. You not rich to advise me. You know say that person, his wife no fit the advice am too. Now me just talk now. You know say even though he marry queen for house, his wife no fit advise am at all. And that kind of person, now they fall for victory. Now they fall for big problem. After I don't fall for big problem finish, you go they cry, say, oh God, my Lord, oh my wife be talk to me, oh my girlfriend be talk to me, oh my mama be talk to me. But these people, if you advise them, they know they yell, oh well, you never reach to advise me. Who are you? If you're like, who are you? If you go market, you know, see something buy, come on. Hey, Mona put us on, please. Mona put us on. Because Mama, come on, she's going to work. Now I'm going to work, yeah, you know. So when I advise somebody for social media, the person will say, who be me? Me not reach to talk to him. I not reach. But when the problem will come, my dear, oh, when the problem will come, if the problem come, now people when you say you no rich, now they go donate. Now we go donate for you. Because as I talk, I know you say a joke. If you're like where or sioma or her mama where I come when now we are. Now your friend now go tell you say this your teeth they smell. Go use brush, go brush them. You understand? So as I talk to you now, you say me never reach. Who be me? Who be yenu kokomo? As you say wetin me they talk no good. Now so you go still say wetin your wife they tell you no good. Why? Because you know why? Your wife not be Nigeria. If to say a Nigeria person, now this person like you, now they beat him wife for us. Say, why you go advise me? It concern you. This social media things, it concern you. You be woman, you be man, but what your wife they tell you is very important. Oh, why important? Or set in a ban. And I'm where are you gone? Or when I hear a qualico, can you go share no real Latina? And I give a chicky. Why are we gone? Oh, sorry. Why are we gone? Understanding you now? Why are we gone? We are on my feet. Why my feet moon? You put I may I put this phone well? May my people enjoy me. Because all the for. Oh, do I put I care where no man who? My woe. I work one here. The phone had to stop it. I work one here. Over your country. Over your country. One way if you your car. So you know, the manager no come on one of you care good work one right now. Work power. Ikiaya. Ina to live have a present. What him akpare. When me am no my must to dota. Ijore one of Paris. I saw your video yesterday. The video you did, man. That video na sweetie video. Ijore of Paris tower. Woman where they call man a shower. Man where they call woman a shower. You know say that woman that man na useless man. Yes, I love that. I love that video. Ijore one of Paris. I love the video you did. You know. So if you do any video, even though I they talk to you, I must talk calm. When I see that video this morning, I even they enjoy and say, Ijore one of Paris. Now she talk this word. I like her. What did she talk? He say, oh, we are not your new woman. I shall go be any obewe no one. Obeani even winner too. Or what you here. And okpanu mere isunya no we pokma before. We men so yan wa pokpa ke libiare. Wa moye wa we tonson iri winana. Wa ti gbe jenu kokomo uwie. Wa ti egba bi pe ani eni wa pokpa ke libiare. Ni wa pe. Imate oni kpunu jo ya ni abi pe ani o lalue from Libya. You understand? So that abi ikwoni ya amigo ya na je o ebe ya gwali go rire so that ya be mi na be fie banku mo ita na so that ya mi na be banku be nwome ba se tu nwome na levo tebe ni ji nwome tomatoes ya mi na be fie ne because eni o wa pokman ya mu elewa okman karo bet if you are Libya so, sorry to say, Orion also say I'm a kebe. No. So ya wa la luwe, ya wa la lo. Ite we sunu jo wa kumere sunu jo na.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.